Welcome to How to Solve.
How to create Gmail account without a phone number. First, go to your Google account and tap on create account. So here you have the choices to create account for yourself, for your child, or for business. This time let's use for myself. So here you just got to complete all the details needed, and of course you are going to create a username that is not being used way back before. And then after that one, you're going to create your own password. Make sure that it is a strong password and type on confirm. Make sure that the passwords did match. Okay, and then tap on next, and after that one it will redirect you here. So welcome to Google. As what you can see, phone number is optional, so you don't need to put your phone number, so you just need to provide a recovery email. So I will put here my active email so that if ever my Google account is being locked, I can recover it. And then, of course, provide the information such as your birthday, birth date, month, and year. And of course, they also need to identify your gender, but there is an option rather not say, so let's try if it will work. And then tap on next. And then after that one, you can see the privacy and terms. So just tap on I agree if you agree on the privacy and terms of making your Google account. And that's it. Successful. You have already made your Google account without a phone number.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.